I'm Trinity.
And I'm Annabelle, and this is our dorm room project. Welcome to the dorm of Kit Carson, John C. Fremont, and Stephen Kearny.
The first part of the room we're looking at is Kit Carson's. The key features include family pictures to represent his love for them. Pictured we have Adeline Carson, Kit's first daughter from his first wife, and then we have a family picture of his third wife and children, as well as another picture of his third wife and his first son. The next thing we see is the small wedding ring box with 2 rings. This represents his first 2 wives that he married. The next item is a map of the West. Kit Carson is a known frontiersman and helped establish the West. Hidden below some pillows is a book to learn how to read. Carson never learned how to read, and he was often ashamed of that. This is why it was hidden. Inside this nice box, he has survival tools, since he was known for his survival skills, as well as a few boxes of water, since he still has a little bit of PTSD from his long walk in the desert.
The next part of the room belongs to John C. Fremont. The first item we are going to focus on is the campaign poster from when he ran for president in 1856. This serves him as a reminder, even though he had lost his election. The second item is a set of topography tools. His set contains a protractor, compass, pencils, and some paper. In 1838, John Fremont was commissioned as a second lieutenant of topographical engineers. Also on his desk, you can see there are 4 textbooks. 3 are math textbooks, and 1 is English. In college, John Fremont displayed an exceptional skill for mathematics, and he was a mathematics teacher on the U.S. warship Natchez. Next to his bed, he has a broken clock. While attending College of Charleston, he had been expelled for irregular attendance, partly due to his broken alarm clock. In the chest at the bottom of his bed, he has a box with 2 stars in it. These 2 stars are given to a major general.
The last part of the room belongs to Stephen Kearny. You can see how tidy it is. He likes to keep his area tidy because all the years in the military that conditioned him this way. The first artifact is a picture of his wife, Mary Radford, who followed him everywhere she could. The next is a sweatshirt from Columbia University, since he went there for 2 years before going into the New York militia. The next artifact you see are 2 papers on his desk. The first paper is a certificate of honor from the military since he served for so long. The next paper is a research paper on the true source of the Yellowstone River. While he was in the military, he often renewed maps and discovered the true sources of rivers. Inside his chest, there is a cobbler's work set. While he was in the military, he had to get creative in ways that he fixed things. One of these things happened to be shoes. That is it for their dorm. Here are our sources for the pictures that we use. Thank you!